Emma wakes up at 7 o'clock. Emma wakes up at 7 o'clock. She turns off her alarm clock. She turns off her alarm clock. She gets up. She gets up. She opens the curtains. She opens the curtains. She goes to the bathroom. She goes to the bathroom. She washes her face. She washes her face. She brushes her teeth. She brushes her teeth. She brushes her hair. She brushes her hair. She chooses her clothes. She chooses her clothes. She gets dressed quickly. She gets dressed quickly. She goes downstairs to the kitchen. She goes downstairs to the kitchen. She prepares breakfast. She prepares breakfast. She eats toast with jam. She eats toast with jam. She drinks a coffee with milk. She drinks a coffee with milk. She checks the time on the clock. She checks the time on the clock. Emma takes her bag. Emma takes her bag. She puts on her shoes. She puts on her shoes. She leaves the house. She leaves the house. She walks to the bus stop. She walks to the bus stop. She gets on the bus. She gets on the bus. She arrives at work at 8:30. She arrives at work at 8:30. She turns on her computer. She turns on her computer. She reads her emails. She reads her emails. She talks with her colleagues. She talks with her colleagues. She works on an important project. She works on an important project. Emma has lunch in the cafeteria. Emma has lunch in the cafeteria. She eats a salad and a dessert. She eats a salad and a dessert. She drinks tea. She drinks tea. She goes back to her desk. She goes back to her desk. She continues working. She continues working. She finishes her tasks. She finishes her tasks. She leaves the office. She leaves the office. She goes home by bus. She goes home by bus. She takes off her shoes. She takes off her shoes. She rests on the couch. She rests on the couch. She watches a TV series. She watches a TV series. She starts preparing dinner. She starts preparing dinner. She chops vegetables for soup. She chops vegetables for soup. She eats with some bread. She eats with some bread. She does the dishes. She does the dishes. Emma takes a warm shower. Emma takes a warm shower. She puts on her pajamas. She puts on her pajamas. She reads a book in bed. She reads a book in bed. She writes in her journal. She writes in her journal. She thinks about her day. She thinks about her day. She turns off the light. She turns off the light. She goes to bed at 10 p.m. She goes to bed at 10 p.m. She closes her eyes gently. She closes her eyes gently. She sleeps peacefully. She sleeps peacefully.